my fish cauliflower is ready. You can eat it like that. Bismillah. Oh, you can eat it with a piece of bread. Like this. I just break my fast. Bismillah. It's so yummy. So for this recipe, I cut my cauliflower, slice like that, and keep it under the water for good 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse this water. Now my cauliflower is all washed. I'm gonna add few things, which is julienne cut ginger, 2-3 pieces of garlic, and just about 1 teaspoon chili flake, about 2-3 teaspoon corn flour. Mix it well. Add a little bit salt, lemon, 2 lemons squeeze on top. Now on top of that, some ajwain. Crush it and then mix it well. Add just a spoonful ghee or oil, whatever you want. Add my cauliflower. Cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add a little bit haldi powder and just a bit mixed masala. But don't mix the masala yet. Place 1 tomato on top, chili on top of it. And now mix it. Keep it under the lid for 3 minutes on a very slow heat, and then our fish cauliflower will be ready, steady, go. And let's open our fish cauliflower. Look at that. Look at that. It's all cooked, but I'm gonna add a little bit, sprinkle just a little bit coriander. Okay, just give a little bit mix. I will try when I break my fast and show you how it tastes. And the reason I call this fish cauliflower, because we use ajwain, and the ajwain tastes like a fish in this cauliflower. Plus it's good for health, and you know, it tastes amazing.